Now because sizoyovota nge-4 November, ngifuna siphinde sibuye kancane kwi-issue ye-migration, kule issues eziraiswa i-March and March. I've compiled ama-videos la e-political parties zonke ezezikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi zithini zona in terms of illegal immigration. And I've noticed ukuthi i-majority yazo zikhuluma ukuthi we want to document abantu. So, and ngike ngayibuza-ke manje ukuthi i-documentation isho ukuthini kahle kahle. And one, i-documentation isho ukuthi sizobabiza bonke abantu abasuka ngaphandle abala South Africa, sibabuza amagama abo, senze i-background check, sibone ukuthi ngabe alikho icala kalenza lasuka khona, akekho wanted na. Sizama nje ukususa kahle ama-foreigners amabi kuma-foreigners amahle. So at the end uzothola ukuthi kusala le foreigner eli-right elisuke mhlambe ngenxa yendlala la lisuka khona, or ngenxa ukuthi lifuna indawo e-right lize lifike la. So ama-political parties amaninzi asuggest ukuthi labo bantu labo kumele banikwe ama-document so that bekwazi ukuphila kahle ngokomthetho la South Africa, i-government ibazi ukuthi bakuphi. Now mhlambe iphepha akuzoba into yokuthi unikwe i-ID yase-South Africa, bazonikwa mhlawumbe njengentoni i-ZEP or i-ZEP or ZTP or something, lezepho etholwa ngama-Zimbabweans. So some document ecishe ibe kanjalo. Now ngiyazibuza la ukuthi leyo nto le isolva ini, because sikhala ngokuthi phela umsebenzi awukho ngenxa yokuthi si-edelwe abantu ade bengekho lo. Umzekelo right now i-government mayi-create umsebenzi, kungena abantu ngaphambili abasuka ngaphandle baqhashwe le msebenzi because ama-companies awabhadala imali eningi kakhulu maqhashwa bona. So that means le target esifuna ukuyi-reach ukuthi siqede u-32% we-unemployment or u-34 iyanyuka iyabaleka instead of ukuthi kusolveke i-problems. So i-addressa njani? And two, into enginotisile le nto lena i-addressa indaba ye-decay eyenziwa ngabantu bokufika. Unfortunately kule party le ama-research amaningi awenziwa about i-impact eyenzakalayo by ama-illegal immigrants. Instead sibone ngazuthi iyapromothwa yona lento ukuthi ba-right bahlale, because one thing, once waba ne-opinion ethi you support labantu, and then already uzithola ususe-jivini kakhulu. So ngifuna ukudlala nansi ivideo ye-MK Party la i-MK Party ikhuluma khona ngesitensi sabo kwi-illegal immigration, and I found something interesting because nabo bakhuluma ilanguage eyi-1 ne-EFF but abazwakali bakhuluma ilanguage eyi-1 ne-EFF. Bengibukela ivideo la kaSibonelo uNomvalo, I'm not sure Sibonelo ubani, but ukhuluma indaba ukuthi we need to document labantu sibazi bangobani. So iphinde ibuyela back to lento ade khulunywa i-EFF ukuthi we need to document labantu. So ngeke ngabawela manje ukuthi ngase sithola umuntu e-MK oyaziyo lento akasibhalela asho ukuthi ahlahle ichaza ukuthini mayithi we should document labantu. And if imina same thing as the-EFF, that means asikwazi ukuthi bese siya ngamandla kwi-EFF bese siye ki-MK pad if bakhuluma into eyi-one bonke.
Yes. And I always say, if you come to South Africa with good intentions, go to Home Affairs and register and become a documented foreign national.
Yes.
Because why do you cross the border illegally if you are coming here for good intentions? Why? What is it that you are hiding? Because if there's nothing you are hiding, if you are coming here maybe to chase greener pastures, this country is open for that. Go to Home Affairs, register, so that the country will know your whereabouts. Because the most problematic element about being an illegal immigrant is that when you commit crime, you are invisible.
Yes.
You are untraceable. The government can't even trace you because you don't appear in our system. And what becomes worse is that when after they've stolen these cars, because some of them steal cars and they cross borders with them, they just disappear and and leave people being casualties of their criminality here in South Africa. So illegal
Okay, now that uyilalele le video kuqala ngifuna ke manje silalele uJulius Malema echaza ngeside le EFF, same thing kwindaba yokuthi how do we deal with ama illegal foreigners. Then ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi what is the difference between the two, so that by the time kufika i4 November sibe sazi ukuthi kahle sidila nani la, ngubani lo esingafuna ukumlalela or kanjani, yiphi le political organization ekumele siyilalele. Then nami I'll do i-suggestion yami ekugcineni ukuthi mina this is what I think kumele siyivotele or kanjani njani. So ngicela silalele uMalema ke ku.
The civil servants of Nigeria, monies were deducted from them to support the liberation of South Africa. So today we are in a comfortable place. We say we don't want them. The EFF agrees that we don't want undocumented people in South Africa. How can we say South Africans must get IDs and then welcome people who are not undocumented? Everybody has to be documented so that if any wrongdoing happens, for whatever reason we are looking for you, we need to find your location.
Yeah.
So we need to find a way. They are here already. You go and put them in Lindela with our state money, which you are saying it's supposed to buy medicine. We pay buses, we take them back. They come back the following day, not next week.
So what would be your solution as the EFF?
The solution is let's go and document these people.
So don't deport them, rather find a way to formalize them.
We need to document them, because whether you like it or not, my brother, they are here. You know what they do in December? They hand themselves over in Lindela so that they can go and eat Christmas at home. And then in January they come back. That money could have been used on some feeding scheme to feed the children of the poor or in the clinic.
So if ulalela le video yesibili le kusobala ukuthi i-EFF yazazi maybe yazi ukuthi makwenzakaleni ngala foreigners, because bona argument yabo is that isigebengu but omunye umuntu makanikwe iphepha ahlale eSouth Africa ne. Then MK party ikhuluma indaba yokuthi we should document labantu. Now are they saying now i-process mayibe yi-one ukuthi uma sidocumenta sizosusa laba ababhedi siba-deport and then laba aba-right sibanike amaphepha. Now the question iphinde ivuka ukuthi masibanike amaphepha ke manje sizokwenza njani ngabaza next year? Because one thing for sure, if you've seen ama videos amaningi, you'll notice ukuthi ama-Nigerians, they celebrate so much if bathole visa to another country. Like bazi benza ama-videos betshelana bebodwa ukuthi kutholakele i-country bavumela ukuthi mabeze khona. So how are we going to deal naleyo nto leyo la eSouth Africa? Sithi sithatha le approach yabo ukuthi we are going to document abantu ukuthi beze South Africa. Sizokwenza njani ngalama groups alokho elandela, because the last time I checked, the population in Nigeria I think was around 100 million. So I'm sure 30 million uzofuna ukuza ngapha ezansi, because at the end of the day South Africa a country noko ephila better than bona. And two, any country noma yini ekhona mhla ine capacity ekwazi ukuyikhera. So umzekelo ibhasi ikwazi ukuthola abantu abawu-60 mhlambe nabawu-20 abame ngeenyawo. After lapho usuke usilimaza yona ibhasi straight. So uma bethi we should document labantu, what about inumber yabantu ekumele babe khona eSouth Africa, or we don't care about overpopulation nani we'll ignore yonke lento le. So I'm interested ukuthi ngase kube khona umuntu onge-engageayo la sikwazi ukuthola i-solution, because ukuzonda into singa-understand kuzoba wrong. So ngase kube khona umuntu osi-understandisayo then bese siyaqhubeka. So ngifuna silaleleke manje uFloyd Shivambu ebeka naye
of dealing with unemployment and joblessness in South Africa might not succeed forever, because we'll be chasing a moving target. Every time you create jobs, they will be occupied by those who are not born in South Africa, because also the employers are taking advantage of the fact that these are immigrants, these are undocumented people who can always problematize them whenever they need to demand higher salaries or organize themselves into a union. And it's one of the issues that we must then be able to then deal with. The other issue that we must then, of course, systematically deal with is this issue of historical gratitude, to say that because there were people who were exiled in Angola, in Zambia, in Zimbabwe, in different parts of the African continent, then South Africa must just accept everyone, documented or undocumented. That is That is absurd. It's a wrong reading of just how everything else must be understood. The fact of the matter is that everyone in the world now stay within a defined territory. Stay within a defined territory with a certain set of laws and rules that govern such territories. It can be correct that we say that because of historical justice, we must receive in South Africa more than 5 million people or more than 3 million people as a gratitude to the less than 100,000 people who were exiled in more than 20, if not 30 countries in the African continent. There's never been an exiled population of more than 20,000 in any African country from South Africa. And to then say, no, for historical gratitude, we must welcome.
So if yamuzwa uFloyd ichuni sishintshe ngempela akasayikhulumi lento ade ikhuluma ku-EFF ukuthi we should be one continent yonke lento ama open border nani usebuye kwindaba yokuthi manje we should deal with indaba illegal immigration because uphinda kula point ade ngisho ukuthi lento ipush target if you want to reach abantu abawu2 million mhlambe in 2 years or 1 year ngokwazi ukuba Richard because the number will keep on growing just because abantu balokhu baedeka abantu athi ungabaplanelanga ukuthi bangabe bayafika. So I want to add another video yokugcina because ngiyabona iba inde kakhulu le video. So I'll end with this one. Ngifuna ukufaka i-action essay manje uHerman Mashaba and angizoyifaka i-action i-ATM because uVilzungula noHerman Mashaba I think bakhuluma into eyi-one and ne-motivation yabo ne-pace abahamba ngayo icishe ilingane because abakhabani kakhulu bakhuluma into eyi-one bonke.
For the redevelopment of the city. The only thing they need a mayor who can help to clear up that mess. I must get rid of all these undocumented foreign nationals because when I started raiding those buildings in 2016, 2017, I used to find up to 80% of the people in these buildings being undocumented foreign nationals. So I have to get them back to their countries to open up space for South Africa, allow the private sector to build affordable accommodation for South Africans. So the private sector appetite to revive the city of Johannesburg. That's why.
At the end of the day, we need to be honest about yonke lento illegal immigration. Okokuqala, we need to accept ukuthi i-African countries eziningi ziyasokola la ngaphandle and they are very poor. Number two, we need to accept ukuthi as countries abantu abasoka kuzo, they don't want to hold leaders zabo accountable. They prefer to run away most of the time. And now esikolweni mawufundiswa uyifundisa ukuthi the first thing to solve a problem is that you need to identify a problem. Kumele i problem uyazi ukuthi yini and if sizoqhubeka nokuthi si accommodate abantu in the name of ubuntu, in the name of ukubazwela, kubhlungu bona ukubabona bebuyela kuma countries zabo mawuthi uyabheka kuma videos zabo i-disaster yonke. There was a video of a guy obuyele eMalawi ade ngiyibuka ekhala ngokuthi even i-roll on iduru ukudlula isaka le rice. So ubona nje ukuthi isimo abaphila ngaphansi kwaso sinzima kakhulu, but i-South Africa ikwazi ukuthi ingaba i-solution to yonke leyo nto leyo because noma kuthiwa sibathanda kangakanani, there's no way ukuthi i-South Africa ingayi-solution to i-Africa yonke. So instead kumele manje ukuthi kube ukuthi yi-South Africa drive conversation yokuthi sidila kanjani nalabantu laba because you go to Zimbabwe, there are so many people in Zimbabwe who can take uMnangagwa down. There are so many people in Uganda who can take Museveni down. And if you are as a countries even today, they still vote for Lama leaders are wrong. Museveni usona 40 something years power, but even today basamvotela uBobby Wine ukhona umfana osesemusha, but they are not giving him a chance. I know again the corruption ikhona kuma vote rigging nani, but youth las Africa ayikho that serious actually bafuna countries zabo zibe bad. Instead they see ukuthi ukubaleka is the best option. And then ngisho there are some exceptions because umzekelo iCongo kuma challenges amaningi kakhulu because there are wars ezenzakalayo pha, but it doesn't mean ukuthi nabo bangajumpa from lapha kude kangaka beze befike la, because no bangafika nase-Uganda nakwezindawo ezinye than ukuthi beze lakithi. So akuyona isolution ukuthi wa pan-Africanist just because sivumela wonke umuntu utezapha. Ekugcineni we need ukuthi umuntu oza la sivumelane. Yabona mina I support any organization ezothi if sithi sidocument abantu makube ukuthi umuntu usuka ngaphandle uza lana, and njengoba eza la South Africa uze because kunento esingenayo azenayo, not ukuthi kuze umuntu nje kuphela. I-example nje, umuntu okumele akwazi ukuza la South Africa umuntu ozosivakashela, ozovakasha mhlambe amalanga azafike ku-90, after 90 days kumele aphinde aphuma ahambe. Ngumuntu ozofunda because le mfundo esinayo thina abanayo ezweni lakubo, uye umuntu okumele azofunda. Umuntu mhlambe one information esingayazi thina e-South Africa, mhlambe une information ku-IT or ku-engineering or mhlambe ku-maths, i-maths yakhe asiyazi sonke thina la South Africa, ayekho umuntu okwazi ukuyifundisa, or noma bekhona abantu bawu-2 or bawu-4 kanti kufuneka abantu abawu-50. So yinto esingayamukela, but ukuthi kusuke nje umuntu nabantu abaseyimpini-ke mhlawumbe kuthiwa seyixaye kakhulu into yakhona mhlawumbe eZimbabwe uyafuneka because of ilo, yinto esingayamukela leyo ukuthi sibhulishe ukuthi samukele noma ngibani. I don't think iyohamba isebenza.
Oyingane zakwethu sifikana nale ndoda lapha eShortgate. Yebo nonkosi, sifikana nale ndoda yakwaMfeka lapha eShowe. Awalisukume lonke iShowe, sanibona lapha eShowe. Sifikana nale ndoda ithi nje icala lapha eShortgate uhambe khokha ngemali yayo, uNkulunkulu abusise. Siyayibonga bakwethu.